Somos is one of the world's largest producers of photo-curable materials for 3D printing applications. We have a wide range of products ranging from materials that behave like polyethylene all the way to high-temperature ceramic-type composite materials that are used in wind tunnel testing and tooling applications. We're a very innovative company dedicated to providing that continuous innovation. We've demonstrated that with providing high-impact materials like Somos Next, and more recently introducing high-temperature grade performance materials like Somos Perform. We're here at the show this week to demonstrate a new product, our Somos Element, which is a material dedicated for investment casting purposes, where its burnout properties and also its low antimony content make it ideal for investment casting applications. Somos collaborates with many machine makers in the market. It's our policy to always provide open access and materials for open access applications. EnvisionTEC is an excellent example of that, where we're challenging ourselves to provide high performance parts that are now suitable more for longer wavelength. In the past, we've been predominantly a supplier to stereolithography type machines, where the wavelength used there is 355 nanometers. Taking the wavelength that's used in stereolithography and going to longer wavelengths is a very difficult challenge. But we're finding in our collaboration with EnvisionTEC that we're developing materials that show good promise in that work. But EnvisionTEC is only one machine maker where we do that. We also have collaborative efforts with Prodways and Stratasys. And in China, we do a collaboration with UnionTech. That's more towards our traditional 355 nanometer platform. But in all aspects, we find that collaborating with machine suppliers is the key to providing customers with the next stages of innovation in our market. In years gone by, there's always been a tremendous interest in when new machines come out. But as the industry matures and we go from modeling to prototyping and more towards end-use applications, people are becoming more and more forced almost to look at what the material properties bring besides what the machine is giving them in terms of productivity and part quality. So I think in the years ahead we'll see a lot more interest in how machine and material go together. I mean, let's face it, people are always coming to the show to look at new machines, but at the same time they're visiting the machines, they're popping over to our booth to see if we provide a material that is compatible with those machines. I think you'll always see more generations of products dedicated for that industry. In tooling, we've seen the Somos Perform come online. It's revolutionized some tooling applications. It's also worked very well in the Formula One market. The recent release of the March edition of the TCT magazine highlighted how a clear SL material, the Somos Watershed 11122XC, has worked perfectly in medical modeling. So we'll continue to push in those areas and also combine that with looking at longer wavelength machines like LEDs, DLP type machines, and also taking what we've gained in showing the market how people work with SL for impact grade materials like Next, looking at next generation versions of that material to go even higher in impact and HTD performance.